Many breastfeeding moms have questions. Do you need to avoid certain foods? Will physical activity affect how much breast milk you make? Will the medicine you take affect your baby? Learn the answers to these questions and more at the link in the video description. Psoriasis affects more than 8 million Americans, and while it shows up on the skin, it's actually an autoimmune condition that causes the body to produce new skin cells too quickly. Symptoms often include red, itchy, or scaly patches that can flare up and then improve. The Delaware Division of Public Health reminds residents that psoriasis is not contagious, but it can be managed with medical care and healthy lifestyle choices. If you or someone you know is living with psoriasis, talk to your healthcare provider about treatment options.